In this video, I will show you how to edit your photo professionally using AI easily for free. Open your browser and go to this link. Click Open Pixel Cut. See here Pixel Cut All tool, Background Remover, Magic Eraser, Upscaler, AI Photo Shoot, Recolor, Batch Edit, AI Shadows, Magic Writer. I try Upscaler. Click Upscaler. Upload your photo. See here show the before look and after look of the photo. Open editor to more editing the photo. Click image. Click background remover. See background remove successfully. Click background to change background. See background color added successfully. Now click download the photo. See here the original photo. See here the edited photo. The picture quality has improved a lot. Many more features are in this tool, you can try it. That's it, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.